Hello, friends! Yay! It's time for a super fun color adventure. Do you know your colors? Can you say them with me? Are you ready? Let's go. The color is red.
Red.
The color is blue.
Blue.
The color is yellow.
Yellow.
The color is orange.
Orange.
The color is green.
Green.
The color is pink.
Pink.
The color is purple.
Purple.
The color is black.
Black.
The color is white.
White.
The color is brown.
Brown.
The color is gray.
Gray.
Good job. Let's say it together a little faster. The color is red.
Red.
The color is blue. Blue. The color is yellow. Yellow. The color is orange. Orange. The color is green. Green. The color is pink. Pink. The color is purple. Purple. The color is black. Black. The color is white. White. The color is brown. Brown. The color is gray. Gray. Nice. Let me show you things that are red in color. Fire truck is red. Apple is red. Nice. Let me show you things that are blue in color. The car is blue. The sky is blue. Let me show you things that are yellow in color. The golden fish is yellow. The banana is yellow. Let me show you things that are orange in color. The tiger is orange. The basketball is orange. Do you see anything green? Yes, the leaf is green. The alligator is green. Let's look for pink. The lady is dressed in a pink gown. The flamingo is pink. Let's look for purple. The gem is purple. The eggplant is purple. Let's look for black color. The bear is black. The tire is black. Let's look for white color. The dove is white. The igloo is white. Let's look for brown color. The chocolate is brown. The deer is brown. Wow, beautiful colors indeed. Keep practicing your colors by watching this video again and again. Which colors was your favorite? Say it out loud. Click the like button if you had fun. And don't forget to share and subscribe for more awesome videos. Now, let's spell the name of this channel together. Boboberry. Say it with me, Boboberry. See you next time for more learning and fun. Bye-bye, kids.
Necessary for this time spent with me.